Most people get this wrong when trying to pay their Walmart credit card online. They use the wrong app. They miss the due date. Or they make only the minimum payment without realizing interest keeps building. Here's the truth no one tells you. Paying your Walmart credit card online is actually simple, if you know the exact steps. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to pay your Walmart credit card online, how to avoid late fees, how to choose the best payment option, and the mistakes most people make. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to know that Walmart credit cards are usually managed by a bank partner. That means you normally won't make payments inside the regular Walmart shopping app. And this is where most people fail. They open Walmart to shop and can't find the payment option. Depending on your card type, it may be managed by a company like Capital One or another issuer. So the first step is simple. Go to the official Walmart credit card account website or app. Always use the official portal. Never use random links from emails or search ads. Security matters. Now once you're there, sign in. Enter your username and password. If you're a new user, tap register or sign up. You may need your card number, your name, your date of birth, and other account details. This only takes a few minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your account is created, future payments become much faster. For example, Alex logs in as guest every month. Jake creates an account once. Jake saves time every month. Now, after signing in, find the payment section. This may say, make a payment, pay bill, payment center, or payments. Tap it. Now you'll usually see important numbers. Current balance, statement balance, minimum payment, and due date. This is important because many people get confused here. And this is where most people fail. Let's make it simple. Minimum payment keeps your account from being late, but interest may continue on the rest. Statement balance may help you avoid interest if paid in full. Current balance includes recent purchases not yet billed. For example, John owes $300. Minimum payment is $35. He pays only $35. He avoids late fees but may still pay interest. Jake pays the full statement balance. Jake may avoid interest. Jake saves money. Now choose the amount you want to pay. You may select minimum payment, statement balance, current balance, or custom amount. Choose what works for you. Now, choose your payment method. Most portals allow bank account payments. You may need routing number, account number, account holder name. Some may allow debit card payments. Enter everything carefully. Now, here's the problem. Wrong banking details can cause failed payments. And failed payments can lead to fees. Always double check. Now choose your payment date. You may pay immediately, or schedule it for later. This helps with budgeting. For example, Alex forgets due dates. Jake schedules payments in advance. Jake avoids stress. Simple. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to never miss a payment again. But first, let's finish the payment. Review all details. Check. Amount. Date. Bank details. Payment date. Then click Submit or Confirm. That's it. Your payment is sent. Simple. You may get a confirmation number or email. Save it. This helps if there's a dispute. Now let's talk about processing times. Some payments post the same day. Others take 1 to 3 business days. Depends on your bank and payment time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if the payment leaves your bank account, your available credit may not update instantly. So don't panic. Wait a little. Now let's talk about AutoPay. This is one of the smartest features. Inside your account, look for AutoPay or automatic payments. You can choose minimum payment, statement balance, or fixed amount. For example, John chooses minimum AutoPay. He avoids late fees. Jake chooses statement balance AutoPay. He avoids interest too. Jake saves more. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong website. Mistake number 2. Paying late. Mistake number 3. Entering wrong bank details. Mistake number 4. Ignoring interest charges. Mistake number 5. Forgetting to save confirmation. Avoid these and the process is easy. Now let's talk about failed payments. If your payment fails, check your account balance. Check your bank info. Check if your bank blocked the transaction. Retry or contact support. Now, here's the problem. Missed payments can hurt your credit score. So timing matters a lot. Now, let's compare two users. Alex forgets his due date. Pays late. Gets a fee and possible interest. Jake uses auto pay. Pays on time every month. Jake protects his credit and saves money. This is where most people fail. Now let's quickly recap. Go to the official Walmart credit card portal. Sign in or register. Open the payment section. Check your balance and due date. Choose amount. Enter payment method. Select date. Review and confirm. Save confirmation. Optional. Set up autopay. That's the full process. Simple once you know the steps. Now you know exactly how to pay your Walmart credit card online. No confusion. No late fees. No wasted time. Just the easiest and safest way. If this video helped you pay your Walmart credit card online, hit the like button. Comment below if you pay minimum, full statement, or use autopay. And if you want more simple finance tutorials and step-by-step guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.